block. It's a twin low block. Fold, block. This is a lunge. Remember, same hand, same foot. Lunge, inner forearm block. Punch. Punch and yell.
Yeah!
Okay. Hands up. We're going to do a number 2 front kick. We're going to land in front. Ready? Go. Land in front. High block. Switch. Now it's a reverse high block. Low punch, no yell. Okay, hands up. Turn. We're going to look towards the back wall. Side kick. Knife hand strike. Short punch. Good. That's the first half. Follow me. Hands up. Step forward. Block. Fold. Block. Punch. Punch and yell.
Yeah!
Hands up. Front kick. Land in front. High block. Switch. Low punch. Hands up. Turn. Now we're kicking towards the mirrors. Side kick. Knife hand strike. And short punch. And back to the front. Okay. Right here. Now,